Supreet Shegil JG, your English teacher. Well, I suppose you all must be safe and sound and enjoying at home as you don't have to come to school, yes? So now it's time to get back to studies, and please listen very carefully as I'm going to explain you the topic, which is a grammar topic called articles. All right? Okay. So what we must you must have we always use you all must be knowing the articles. What are they? Like suppose if I say, like if I suppose if I say I saw a man. Okay, suppose if I say I saw a man. Okay, so what is this a? What is this? Okay, if suppose if I say or if I say he read the Jungle Book. He read the Jungle Book. So what is this the? Yes. So or if I another example, if I add I ate an apple. Okay. So now you can see you can see these words alphabets such as A, and then we have used the, and then we have used an, yes, and we have used all these A and the before the nouns, yes. Man is also a noun, Jungle Book is also a noun, and apple is also a noun, yes, but before these nouns we have used A, an and the, yes. So why do when so today I am going to explain you how do we use these articles A, an and the. All right. So before using these articles A, an and the, first let me tell you about what are the kinds of articles. Okay. So which are the articles first of all? Okay. Which are the articles? They are A, an and the. So these three are the articles, but these articles, they are divided into two types, okay, which is definite and indefinite. All right. Okay. So now the definite article, okay, first of all before we come to the articles which are divided into definite and indefinite, let's see what does definite and indefinite mean. Okay. So see, what is definite? Definite means when we are sure of, okay, and when it talks about some particular or specific person, place, animal or a thing. Okay. For example, if I said like I said he read the Jungle Book, yes. So I am talking about, why have we used so we call the as a definite article because the it points out at a specific person, animal, place or a thing. मतलब हिंदी में अगर हम कहें कि जो द आर्टिकल है इसको डेफिनेट क्यों कहते हैं, क्योंकि ये किसी खास चीज़, एनिमल, जानवर, पर्सन, इंसान या फिर प्लेस, जगह के बारे में बात करते हैं, या फिर अगर हमें पता हो कि किसकी बात हो रही है खास, मतलब कौन सी खास एनिमल, पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग की बात हो रही है सेंटेंस में, ठीक है. सो देन वी नो, देन वी आर श्योर. सो डेफिनेट इज व्हेन वी आर श्योर अबाउट समथिंग, व्हेन वी नो that about which person, animal, place or a thing is it being talked about. और वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट मीन्स कि द को डेफिनेट आर्टिकल इसलिए कहा जाता है क्योंकि हमें पक्का पता होता है कि भैया सेंटेंस में किस एनिमल प्लेस किस पर्सन प्लेस एनिमल और अ थिंग की बात की गई है. लाइक सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ यू से he read the jungle book. So why have we added the? Because it is specifically telling about which book? Jungle book. ठीक है, तो specifically खास कर ये jungle book की बात हो रही है. ठीक है, but if I would say like suppose if I would say he read a book. He read a book. Okay. So over here he read a book. Book can be any, है ना, book कोई भी हो सकती है. Yes, so that is why a and an, like I say I ate an apple. Okay, so I ate an apple. Apple can be any apple, may be red apple or green apple. Yes, so it can be any apple. So over here a and an, okay, a and an, they are called indefinite articles because it talks about any person, place or a thing. Okay, मतलब definite is specific. Okay, I will write it here. Definite is for specific. Specific मतलब कुछ खास specific person, place, animal or a thing. ठीक है, मतलब कुछ खास. जैसे मैंने यहाँ पे बात की थी I read the jungle book. Yes, I read the jungle book. तो यहाँ पे खास जंगल बुक की बात की गई है. कौन सी बुक? जंगल बुक. So that is why we have used, because यहाँ over here जंगल बुक is specific, क्योंकि हम खास जंगल बुक की बात कर रहे हैं. जब हम खास किसी चीज़, इंसान या पर्सन या जगह की बात करते हैं देन वी यूज द. सो दैट इज़ वाई जब हम खास किसी एनिमल, पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग की बात करते हैं दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड डेफिनेट. ओके, विच मीन्स स्पेसिफिक. ओके, व्हेन वी आर श्योर ऑफ, जब हमें पक्का पता होता है कि हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं या फिर किसकी बात हो रही है, मतलब about which or whom we are talking about or about which or whom is it being talked about. Okay, and this indefinite articles is the opposite of that. Okay, indefinite articles, they are a and an, they are indefinite articles. Why are they called indefinite articles? Why? Because it can be any. Okay, it does not refer to any specific, it can be any. So you have to remember, you can just in easy way you can remember any. ठीक है, or you can say not specific. Okay, not specific. Okay, so it can be, just a minute, I think it's going outside. Okay, so it can be, okay, you can write any, points out at any person, place, animal or a thing. ठीक है, मतलब indefinite मतलब when we are not sure of, जब हमें पक्का पता नहीं होता, जब किसी भी, कोई भी पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल और थिंग की बात करते हैं, कोई भी. ठीक है, तो डेफिनेट इज जब हम व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट स्पेसिफिक, जब कोई खास उसके एनिमल, पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग के बारे में बात करते हैं. एंड इनडेफिनेट इज जब कोई भी, इट कैन बी एनी पर्सन, प्लेस और थिंग. ठीक है, लाइक आई सेड आई सॉ अ मैन. ठीक है, आई हैड गिवन एन एग्जाम्पल, ही रेड अ बुक, so it could be any book. Yes, I saw a man, it could be any man. Yes, and I ate an apple, it could be any apple. Yes, so I suppose you understood the meaning of definite and indefinite and why the is used called as definite article and a or an, they are called as indefinite article. Okay. Now I will tell you that how a or an, I will talk about the usage of these articles. Okay. So I will tell you, so now see this a or an, okay, which are indefinite articles, which talks about any person, place or thing. Okay. So these a or an, they are used as per the sound of the vowel or consonant. Means when we are using the articles a or an, we have to see the sound, not the vowel or consonant alone. We have to see to the sound of the vowel or consonant. Okay, and it is not called vowel, it is called vowel. Okay, please check your pronunciation, I mean improve your pronunciation. So it's called vowel, vowel. Okay, so when we are using a or an, we have to see, we have to check whether the first letter of the word gives a vowel sound or the consonant sound. All right. Okay. So now I will just tell you the vowel sounds and consonant sounds, and then we will go ahead about the usage of a or an. Okay, because before we proceed further, you must know which are the vowel sounds and which are the consonant sounds. All right. So here I must end with the first video. This was the introduction of the articles. In the second video, I will talk about the usage of a or an. All right. Take care. Stay safe. Stay happy. Hello students. So this is the second video of articles a, an and the. Okay. So now in this I am going to tell you where do we use the articles a and an, which are the indefinite articles. All right. Okay. So as I had told you in the previous video that a and an are called indefinite articles. Why? Because it refers to any person, place, animal or a thing which is not specific. Okay. Now, so now the main usage of this a and an, it depends upon the vowel or the consonant sound. It depends upon the sound. Okay. So a, okay, which is the indefinite article, it is used before words beginning with the consonant sound. कि जो words हैं जिनका first letter consonant sound देता है, okay, for that word we place a. Okay, for example, if I say a man, so okay, before I come to this example, let me tell you the sounds of consonants. Okay, so now see, first you all must be knowing which are the five vowels. Okay, these are the five vowels: a, e, I, o, u. Yes, and other than these vowels, the other alphabets, they are the consonants. So their sounds are b, b, c, k, d, d, f, g, g, h, h, j, j, k, k, l, m, n, p, p, because o comes as a vowel. Okay, q, q, r, s, t, t, v, w, w, w. Okay, like we say watch, walk. Okay, then okay, I'll write it here. I'll have to write from the beginning. Just a minute. Hold on. Okay, now see. B, B, C, K, D, D, F, G, G, A, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, L, M, M, N, N. O is again a vowel. P, P, Q, Q. Q. It's not qua. It is Q. Q. Okay. R, R, S, S, T, T. U is again a vowel. V, W, 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 W. X, X. Okay. Y, Y, and Z, Z, Z. We call it Z, not Z, Z. Z, Z. Okay. So, see over here. So, these are the letters other than the vowels, okay, which are called consonants. So, they they give a consonant sound as B, B, C, K, D, D, F, G, G, H, H, J, J, K, K, L, M, N. Okay. O is again a vowel. P, P, Q, Q, R, R, S, T, T. U is again a vowel. V, V, W, W, W. Okay. X, X, Y, Y, and Z, Z. All right. Okay. Now, in some cases, this vowel U, it gives a consonant sound of Y. Okay. All right. And now we come to this article called an. Okay. So, when we come to this article called an, this is used before words beginning with vowel sounds. Means we use the article an before words which whose the first letter gives a vowel sound. Means हम उन words के लिए an लगाते हैं जिसका जो first letter है, ठीक है, जो first letter है, जैसे मैंने एप्पल की बात की थी, yes, तो एप्पल में आ की आवाज़ आ रही है, ठीक है ना। तो जिन वर्ड्स का जो फर्स्ट लेटर है वो अगर वाउल साउंड दे तो उसके आगे हम क्या यूज़ करेंगे, इस्तेमाल करेंगे एन. ओके, सो नाउ सी दीज A-E-I-O-U, ठीक है, A-E-I-O-U, these are the vowels, okay, and their sounds are, you must remember the vowel sounds. So A gives the sound of A, like apple, okay, X-ray, MP, egg, elephant, yes, inkpot, yes. We have A gives the sound of A, apple, alligator, A, yes. E gives the sound of A, like elephant, egg, okay. Then I have two sounds, that is I and E. I, like we say ice cream, okay, and then in ice cream it sounds with the sound, it starts with the sound ice cream, okay, and E, like we say inkpot, है ना, inkpot starts with the sound E, which is again a vowel sound, okay. Then this O, vowel, it gives the sound of O, and orange, O, okay. And then U is also a vowel and it gives the sound of okay. So you can give a sound of you can give a vowel sound also okay, and you can give a consonant sound also called Y. So I will explain about this after this. Okay, so we are all clear about the consonant sounds and the vowel sounds. So you have to remember these consonant and vowel sounds when you have to use a or an. All right. Now, so I will next I will proceed on. Let me give you some more examples. So because this was very important to give you the vowel and consonant sounds. Okay. Now, so if suppose over here, so now as we said, aid begins with the word with the consonant sound. Yes, begin used before words, used before words with its first letter giving consonant sound. Okay, so now you remember what are consonant sounds. Yes. Okay, now let me give you the example. Now suppose if I say I saw a boy in the garden. All right, we'll talk about the after discussing the usage of a or an. All right, so this example I will discuss it again. Okay, so let's focus on the usage of a first. Okay, so over here why we have placed a, I saw a boy. Yes, so I saw a boy, so it can मैंने एक लड़का देखा, it can be any boy. Yes, because indefinite articles they talk about any person, place or animal or thing. Yes, so boy is the person which is a common noun. Yes, so it can be, boy can be any, कोई भी हो सकता है. So we have used a. And also another thing, now see this boy, noun. Okay, the first letter is B. Yes, which is giving the sound of b. Yes, b. So what is b? Which sound is it? Vowel or consonant? It's obviously a consonant sound, b. Yes, so that is why as it is, it can be any boy, and it is giving, and the first letter of this word is giving a consonant sound. So that is why we have placed the article a. All right. Okay, now another example, if I say a boy got injured. ठीक है, a boy got injured मतलब एक लड़का जख्मी हो गया. ठीक है, again why we have used a. Okay, I'll give you another example of maybe if I say a girl or if I say a lady. Okay, a lady. Yes, so lady can be any. It could be mother, it could be maid, or it could be the grandmother, or it could be sister, any lady. Yes, or it could be a working woman. कोई भी lady हो सकती है. And then what is this first letter? L. What sound is it giving? L. Yes, and what is L? Which sound is it? L. It's a consonant sound. So that is why as the first letter L is giving this consonant sound L, so it is a, so we have placed a, the indefinite article. All right. So we have to see to the sounds. ओके, हमने सिर्फ आवाज़ चेक करनी है. वाउल की जो एक वर्ड है, नाउन है, कि नाउन का जो फर्स्ट लेटर है कि वो वाउल की आवाज़ दे रहा है कि कॉन्सोनेंट की आवाज़ दे रहा है, हमने ये चेक करना है. ठीक है, वी हैव टू चेक टू द साउंड्स, नॉट नॉट द एक्चुअल वाउल्स और कॉन्सोनेंट्स। हमने वाउल और कॉन्सोनेंट को नहीं चेक करना है, हमने चेक करना है आवाज़ को, साउंड को। किसकी साउंड? वाउल और कॉन्सोनेंट की। तो हमने ये देखना है कि नाउन्स का जो फर्स्ट लेटर है कि ये वाउल की आवाज़ दे रहा है कि कॉन्सोनेंट की साउंड दे रहा है, ठीक है। एंड यू हैव टू रिमेंबर द वाउल एंड कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स, ऑलराइट, ओके। नाउ sorry, excuse me. Okay, so now as I said, now let's come over here. Okay, now as I said this an, I told you about the vowel sounds. Okay, so okay, now see if I say an aeroplane, aeroplane, ठीक है। So again a, I know it is a vowel but it could give consonant sound भी दे सकता था, है ना, लेकिन aeroplane में a is giving the sound of a, yes, तो a क्या है? vowel sound a। और if I say an egg, an egg, so why we have used an? Because over here the first letter of this noun is giving the sound of a, egg, elephant, okay. Then another example I'll give you of, I say, if I say all right, if I say an ice cream, an ice cream, okay. Again I, obviously we hear in ice cream, we do not say ice cream, yes, we say ice cream, yes. And I have said that I gives two sounds, one is I and other is E, yes. So over here in ice cream, I, the first letter is giving the sound of I, yes, I. So what is I? I is a vowel sound, okay. So that is why we have placed an, okay. Then another example, if I say okay, I have given for I, I'll give for E now. If I say an ink pot, okay. So over here again, why we have placed an? Because this alphabet, this letter I is giving the sound of E, ink pot, ink pot. So E is again, what is E? What is E? It's again vowel sound. Yes, it's starting with the vowel sound. Yes, okay. Then if I say orange, again orange, orange in this O, okay. O is obviously, it is a vowel but we have to see to the sound, okay. So O is giving the sound of O, okay. So orange, orange, okay. So O is again a vowel sound. It is orange is starting with the vowel sound, okay. And then what is left? Yes. Now look here. Now we have talked all about a, I, E, O, and the last sound is left which is given by the letter U. Yes. So if I say an umbrella, an umbrella, yes, we do not say umbrella, we say, what do we call it? Umbrella, ठीक है. So over here it is giving the sound so again is vowel sound. So we have placed an before umbrella because it's starting with the vowel sound umbrella. Yes. So I suppose this much you are clear. which are the vowel sounds and consonant sounds, and why we have placed a or an. Yes, we have placed a because the first letter of all the nouns, yes, the first letter, ठीक है, of the nouns, they are starting with the consonant sound. That is why we have placed a. And an we have and we use it for words, and we have placed it with these words because these words they are starting with the consonant sound. The beginning sound is consonant, means the beginning letter gives a consonant sound. Okay, कि जो words का पहला अक्षर है, इनकी सबसे शुरुआत की आवाज कौन सी आवाज है, ये क्या कौन सी आवाज देता है, वावल साउंड देता है शुरुआत में, है ना. जैसे इंक पॉट, इंक पॉट, है ना, इंक पॉट, है ना. सो अगेन ऑरेंज, ऑरेंज, और क्या अगेन बॉल. अगेन अम्ब्रेला, यू अम्ब्रेला, है ना. सो इट्स गिविंग अ साउंड ऑफ वावल, अम्ब्रेला, ठीक है. So these words which have letter giving vowel sound, okay, the words which start which begin with the vowel sound, for them we place an. Okay, so now let me tell you some more where we use the vowel and consonant, where we use a or an. All right, okay. So apart from these के इनके अलावा, ठीक है, ओके, इनके अलावा I'll give you some more examples. Okay, now so now these a or so a, it is also used before countable, common, or countable, common and singular noun. ठीक है, मतलब कि जो चीज़ें काउंट हो सकती हैं और जो कॉमन भी है, मतलब आम भी हैं, और जो सिंगुलर भी हैं. सिंगुलर मीन्स एक हैं, ठीक है. तो फॉर देम ऑल्सो वी यूज ए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से अगेन, इफ आई से अगेन अ डोर, ठीक है, doors can be counted. Yes, again door is singular. If I say the room has the room has a door. Okay, if I say the classroom has a door. ठीक है. Why we have used a before door? Because first of all it's starting with the consonant sound d, है ना. Then after that door, it is singular, एक ही दरवाजा है, singular है, ठीक है. And then it doors can be counted also, काउंट भी हो सकते हैं, गिनती भी हो सकती है ना. और जो डोर है ये कॉमन भी है, आम चीज़ भी है ना, मतलब हर जगह, है ना. So it is a common thing also. So and we use a before countable, common and singular noun. Okay, okay. Now all right. So now there is one more example, one thing more. Now a, it is also used before words. It is also used before words which begin with the, means the words have words beginning with vowel, but they are giving a consonant sound. Okay, like suppose if I say words words with vowels, words starting with vowels, ठीक है, words starting with vowels, but words starting with vowels, but okay, you could say words starting with vowels giving a consonant sound, giving a consonant sound were, ठीक है. For example, if I say a 1 rupee, a 1 rupee coin or a note, whatever, ठीक है. Why have we used a before? See, now see over here, 1. So over here O. Now you must be saying O is a vowel, है ना? Yes, but over here 1. Over here we do not say on, है ना? On के लिए तो O and on होता है ना? Yes, but that on is a preposition, है ना? It tells about the place, है ना? Like we say the book is lying on the table. But now you all must have done counting. Yes, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yes, so this only 1. So in this O, which is a vowel, but it gives a consonant sound word, ठीक है, consonant sound word. So if the words start with a vowel, अगर कुछ words vowel के साथ शुरू होते हैं लेकिन consonant sound देते हैं, ठीक है, तो जो letters, जो vowels, जो words vowel से शुरू होते हैं लेकिन they are giving consonant sound, ठीक है, जैसे one में व की आवाज देते हैं ना, yes, it's giving the sound of व. So the letters which the words which have the first letter as vowel, but it is giving the consonant sound, लेकिन वो consonant sound दे रहा है वो vowel. तो अगर consonant sound दे रहे हैं, so that is why we have placed a. Okay, so it can be a 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee note, कुछ भी, है ना? Okay, अच्छा, now we are just on to the end. One more thing to discuss about A. All right, the article A. Now the last is that if I say, okay, so now A, it is also used before vowel, ठीक है. A, it is also used before vowel, U, ठीक है, used before vowel U when it gives a consonant sound, when it gives a consonant sound, okay, consonant sound as y, okay, when it gives a consonant sound as y. Like suppose, for example, if I say example, a unicorn, ठीक है. So we had done two points, that is the vowel, the vowel that it also starts before the words beginning with vowel vowel O, which gives a consonant sound, and also if it it is also used before vowel U when it gives a consonant sound y. Okay, so it could be a unicorn. We never say unicorn. Yes, we always say unicorn. Then a university, again y, university. Yes, university. Again it's giving the consonant sound y. Okay. Then if I say a European, a European, you, ठीक है. Over here it's giving the sound of u. So over here when u, the vowel u, it gives a consonant sound as y or u, or it gives the sound of u, then we always place a. ठीक है. Like यहाँ पे u, you say European, you. Again it's giving the sound of y, slight sound of y, European. Yes. Okay. So we are done with this a. Okay. Now okay, kindly excuse me. Okay. So now let me tell you about now another 2 points of an. Okay. Now an over here. So okay. Now yesterday. All right. So now an is also used before words. Used before words starting with letter H. Starting with letter H. अब आप कहोगे हर वर्ड जैसे हॉर्स है, हॉर्स में भी एच से शुरू होता है ना. बट it is I have not yet finished it. Okay. Although it is used before words starting with H, but only, okay, starting with H, but it is silent. Okay. Or you say but the letter H is silent. Okay. Is silent means, okay, like as मतलब कि अगर वर्ड्स में H, अगर कोई वर्ड H से शुरू होता है लेकिन उसमें H साइलेंट है, मतलब H की आवाज़ नहीं आती, then like for example an R, H-O-U-R. So over here H is silent, so we cut off this. ठीक है. The remaining is O-U-R. So what do we call? We don't call it our. Okay, we'll say R. Okay. Again, whether you call it our or R, okay, the correct pronunciation is R. So whether you call it our or R, so again it's giving the sound of R. है ना? And what is R? Again a vowel sound. Okay. If you say horse, बट यहाँ पे एच की आवाज तो आ रही है, हॉर्स, ह, तो ह कौन सा है? कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड है ना. ठीक है. बट हॉर्स के आगे जिसकी, अच्छा, जिन वर्ड्स के आगे एच पड़ता है और जिसमें एच की साउंड आती है, जिसमें एच लेटर की आवाज़ आती है, ठीक है, तो उसमें फॉर दैट वी यूज ए. बट जिन वर्ड्स में एच की आवाज़ नहीं आती, फॉर एग्जाम्पल एन आर, ओके, जिसमें एच की आवाज़ नहीं आती एंड द अदर लेटर्स, है ना, दे आर गिविंग द वाउल साउंड. ओके. सो when the H is silent and the other letters of the word they are giving the vowel sound, so then we place an. Again, an honest man, an honest man. Okay. Again, we do not say honest, we always say honest. Okay. Again, in honest, H is silent, so we cross H. Again, after that the next letter is O, which is a vowel, and again it gives a vowel sound which is O, so we call it honest. Okay. So that is why we say an honest man. Okay. So please clear this thing that the words starting with the letter H but H is silent, the sound of the H does not come, okay, or you cannot hear the sound of H. So then the next letter gives a sound of vowel, so then we place an, okay, when the first letter H is silent, okay, जब H की आवाज़ नहीं आती, ठीक है. और यहाँ पे अगर सपोज हॉर्स है, ठीक है, तो वी विल प्लेस अ हॉर्स. वाई? बिकॉज यहाँ पे H की आवाज़ आ रही है, दैट इज ह क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड. यस, ओके. सो एज सिंपल, दैट इज the word starting with H, when the H gives a consonant sound we place a, and the word starting with H wherein when H is silent, okay, and the other letter, okay, it gives a vowel sound, okay, it gives a vowel sound, okay, so then we place an, all right, and we place an. Okay, so now one more point is left for an, where okay, so now I suppose you have understood this much. Now one more point is left for an. Just a minute. Okay, now see, now an is also used before it is also used before words beginning with consonants, ठीक है, use before words beginning with consonants, okay, beginning with consonants, but they give a vowel sound, okay, but they give a vowel sound. For example, an MP, an MLA, an. अब यहाँ पे MP, यहाँ पे an क्यों लगाया? Because M, what initial sound is it giving? M. इसकी जो शुरुआत की आवाज़ है M, तो it is starting with a, it's giving a vowel sound. Yes, so we use an, because the first letter M जो कि consonant है लेकिन वो vowel sound दे रहा है, तो इसलिए we use an, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे देखो, इसमें भी MLA, again M is giving the sound of, it's giving the vowel sound a. Then if I say an FIR, F also it is beginning with the vowel sound a. F चाहे consonant है लेकिन एक consonant vowel की आवाज़ दे रहे हैं, ठीक है. So the words or the letters which begin with consonants, but those beginning consonant letters, if they are giving the vowel sound, अगर वो beginning वाले consonants अगर vowel sound दे रहे हैं, so then also we use an before them, okay. अच्छा, then again there is another example. If I say okay, I'll write here an X-ray, okay. Now you'll say, मैम आपने X का तो sound सब बोला था, है ना, जो कि consonant sound है ना. तो यहाँ पे over here we do not say X-ray, we always say X-ray. Yes, X-ray. So X-ray starts with which sound? X, X, ठीक है. So it is again it is starting with a sound, which is the vowel sound. Yes. So the consonant letters which give the vowel sounds, ठीक है, for them we use the words having the words with first letter as consonant. जिन words में first letter consonant होता है but they give a vowel sound, okay, they give a initial sound of vowel, okay, so for them we use an. So for this I suppose now you have understood the usage of a or an, alright. Okay, so I must end this video over here about the usage of wherein I have discussed the usage of a or an. So I will discuss the usage of the article, the definite article the, in the next video. So till then, stay safe, stay sound. Take care, bye. Okay, so hello students, in this video I am going to tell you about the definite article the. So in the previous two videos I have told you about the indefinite articles, which is a and an how are they used, yes. So in this third video I am going to tell you about the article, the definite article the, and where do we use the article the definite article the, okay. So as I had explained in the beginning that why the is called the definite article, why? Because definite means when we are sure about, कि जब हमें पक्का पता होता है, ठीक है, कि किस इंसान, पर्सन, एनिमल या थिंग और आइडिया किसकी बात हो रही है, ठीक है. सो इट पॉइंट्स आउट कि ये इशारा करता है एट अ स्पेसिफिक, कि कुछ खास, ठीक है, पर्सन, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग और एन आइडिया, ओके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इफ आई से this is the way I met him, okay. So we here why have we used the, because it is telling about the way, कि किस तरीके से, which way, ठीक है. This is the way, okay, that I met him, कि इस तरीके से मैं उसको मिला था, कि उस तरीके से जिससे मैं मिला था, that idea, that specific idea is mentioned, ठीक है. तो it is mentioned. If I say, okay, if I say this is a way of doing thing, no. For example, I'll give you another example. If I say this is the man, this is the man, this is the teacher whom I like, yes, this is the teacher whom I like, yes. So why have we used the for a teacher? क्योंकि teacher common noun है, कोई भी teacher हो सकती है ना. But why we have used the for a teacher? Why? Because it is pointing out, कि वो इशारा कर रहा है किस टीचर के बारे में, उस टीचर के बारे में whom I like, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं, ठीक है. सो इफ आई कुड से दिस इज अ टीचर, कोई भी टीचर हो सकता था. तो यहाँ पे टीचर के आगे हमने द इसलिए लगाया है बिकॉज इट इज स्पेसिफिकली खास उस टीचर के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं जो टीचर मुझे अच्छी लगती है, ठीक है. या ओके, सो दिस इज द टीचर whom I like. So over here we are specifically talking about that teacher whom I like, ठीक है. So that is why we have used the article the, because it is pointing out at a specific teacher whom I like, okay. Then after that it denotes a whole class or kind. Like suppose if I say okay, whole class or kind, ठीक है. For example if I say okay, the dog barked, ठीक है. अब यहाँ पे डॉग, आई नो आप कहोगे डॉग कॉमन नाउन है ना, लेकिन जो डॉग है इट इज़ कि ये अपने सारे डॉग्स की कैटेगरी को रिप्रेजेंट करता है, ठीक है. तो now we know dog. What is a dog? ठीक है, तो जो एक डॉग क्या है? डॉग एक पर्टिकुलर एक खास किस्म के एनिमल्स हैं. यस, सो अगेन over here it is talking about a specific category of animals, okay, which is the dog, the horse, okay, the jackal, okay, because ये जो animals हैं they are telling about the we are talking about the specific category of animals, कि हम कुछ खास जानवरों की किस्म की बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, जो कि द डॉग है. डॉग क्या है? एक खास किस्म का एनिमल है. हॉर्स क्या है? वो भी एक खास किस्म का एनिमल है. जैकल क्या है? खास किस्म का एनिमल है. ठीक है, ओके. देन आफ्टर दैट okay, so now after this we use the before common nouns, but which are very unique, which are only one in the universe. Okay, all right. So okay, I will write it here in the so that much space is not used. Okay, so I'll again make a column. Sorry, I didn't draw a straight line. Okay, so first point was points at particular person. ठीक है, particular person, animal, place, thing, or an idea. Yes, then second is tells about a specific class of animals, you could say specific class or type. क्लास यू कैन से स्पीशीज. स्पीशीज क्या होती है? एक खास किस्म के जीव जंतु. ठीक है, टाइप ऑफ स्पेसिफिक स्पीशीज और टाइप. ओके, देन इन दिस फॉर एग्जांपल इफ आई से द हॉर्स, द डॉग, इट कुड बी एनीथिंग. ठीक है, देन थर्ड यूज बिफोर कॉमन नाउन्स, common nouns which are unique, common nouns which are unique. ठीक है, which are unique in we say which are unique in the universe, or you could say which are unique मतलब सबसे अलग हैं, और you could say only one. ठीक है, only one, like suppose if I say example the sun. अब sun भी एक चीज़ है और बहुत अलग किस्म की चीज़ है. the sun, the moon, the planet. ठीक है, the world. अब दुनिया भी एक ही है ना? yes, so for these which are common nouns but which are unique and only one. ठीक है, okay, which are only one. okay, then we use it for directions. ठीक है ना? directions like the east, the west, the north, the south. okay, then we use for dates of the month, dates of month. like I say I was born on 27th of January. okay, then after that dates of month, after that we come to it is used before superlative degree, used before superlative degree. Like suppose if I say example, the hottest month, the hottest, superlative degree है ना, the hottest month, okay. Then we use it for after that we use it for oceans, whichever is there in your book, okay. We use it for oceans, rivers, lakes, okay. And then we use it for musical instruments, newspapers. I am talking about the text on page number 37, alright. Then we are it is used for musical instruments, newspapers, magazines, and it is also used before races, not the races which you run. Races means like when I say races or nations, races or nations. For example, if I say the Indians, ठीक है, the Indians, the Italians, the Spanish, the Chinese, okay. Then it is also used before inventions, okay. Who invented the radio? Before inventions, inventions, okay. Inventions like the radio, the wheel, है ना, okay. Then also it is used for parts of the body. Parts of the body, like I say, I got an injury on the head, ठीक है. अच्छा, so over here we had already done the articles the on page number 37, alright. Come to page number 38. So over here there are some examples. I have already discussed the usage of a and an, yes, in the previous two videos. So where we do not use articles, that is for countries, person, months, and specific places. Specific places like we went to Japan, but कुछ ऐसे countries के लिए हम the use करते हैं जिनके आगे ये लगता है republic, the union, the kingdom, the United States, ठीक है. तो जिनके आगे ये चीज़ें लगती हैं उनके आगे हम the लगाएंगे countries के लिए. तो जिनके आगे ये चीज़ें नहीं लगती republic या union, kingdom and all, तो उनके आगे जैसे suppose we do not say the Japan, we always say Japan. We do not say the India, we always say India. We do not say the Nepal, we always say Nepal. Yes, okay. So then also for materials like gold, silver, and silk, all these like you had done material nouns, materialistic nouns, out of which other things are made, like wood, gold, silver, copper, all these, so for them also we do not use articles, okay. Then abstract nouns like cleanliness, poverty, childhood, then it can be brotherhood, richness, happiness. So for them also we do not use, for these abstract nouns we do not use any article. Then for these sports, languages, nationalities again India, like suppose hockey is the national game of India, hockey is a sport, okay. Then language, Sanskrit is a very scientific language, we don't say the Sanskrit or the Punjabi, okay. Then for specific subjects again like Sanskrit, my friend is Italian, Italian is the nationality, like I just talked about the this my friend is, when we say my friend is Italian, we do not say my friend is the Italian. But if I say I ate the Italian food, okay. Acha, then names of body parts in clothing, okay. So please do your let's try 7, 8 and 9. I suppose you have understood, and for today just we have finished one topic of the grammar topic, articles. So take care, bye, see you next week, okay. Stay safe, stay happy.